For thousands of years, the Iberian Peninsula, home now to Spain and Portugal, has served as a crossroads. Phoenicians from the Near East built the trading ports there 3,000 years ago, and the Romans conquered the region around 200 BC. Muslim armies sailed from North Africa and took control of Iberia in the 8th century AD. 3 centuries later, they began losing territory to the Christian states. Along with the historical records, the archaeological digs, researchers now have the new lens on the Iberian past. DNA preserved in the region's ancient skeletons. Archaeologists, geneticists are extracting the genetic material spanning not just Iberia's written history, but their prehistory too. We wanted to bridge the ancient populations and the modern populations, said Inigo Olari, a geneticist at Harvard Medical School. Dr. Olari is the lead author of the paper published on Thursday in the Science, the analysis of the DNA of the 271 ancient Iberians. In recent years, the scientists have created similar chronologies for the entire continents based on 100 of samples of the ancient DNA. Now researchers are starting to narrow their focus to smaller regions. With a total of 419 ancient human genomes obtained by various laboratories, Iberia offers a rich trove. Scientists have recovered only 174 ancient genomes in Britain and just 8 in Japan. This dense record shows that the Iberians' genetic profile has changed markedly in response to the major events in history, such as the Roman conquest. But researchers have uncovered evidence of migrations that were previously unknown. Iberia, it seems, was a crossroads long ago in recorded history as far as the last ice age. The oldest known human DNA in Iberia comes from a 19,000-year-old skeleton found in 2010 in a cave called El Mirón in the northern Spain. The skeleton belonged to a woman, a member of a band of Ice Age hunters and gatherers. People in Iberia continued to live as hunters and gatherers for thousands of years after that. Long after the Ice Age, Dr. Olari and his colleagues analyzed DNA from 4 additional hunters and gatherers, while a separate team based on Max Planck Institute for the Science of Human History extracted DNA from 10 more. Both teams obtained the same striking result. Iberian hunters and gatherers had a remarkable mix of genes, showing that they have descended from 2 profoundly distinct groups of early European hunters and gatherers. One of these groups can be traced as far back as 35 years thanks to the skeleton discovered at a site in Belgium called Goyet. The Goyet-related people spread